I welcome you all in Rebel News India. I hope that you all are well at your home. So let's have a look for today's top national news headlines.
Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh on Friday ordered a magisterial inquiry by Jalandhar Divisional Commissioner into the suspicious death of 21 people, allegedly due to consumption of spurious liquor in Amritsar, Batala and Tarn. One person reported to be critical in suspected whose tragedy. The inquiry will look into the fact and circumstances leading to incidents, as well as into any other issue conducted or relevant to the incidents. It will be conducted by Jalandhar Divisional Commissioner along with Joint Access and Taxation Commissioner Punjab and SP investigation of the concerned districts, according to an official spokesperson. The government had extended suspension of scheduled international flight till August 31, 2020. However, travel will take place under the travel bubbles India has started creating with US, Germany and France. In the coming days, more countries like UK, Canada could also have these bubbles, with India allowing people, as per government norms, to travel to and from there. The government had decided to extend the suspension of the scheduled international commercial passenger service to from India up to 11:59 p.m. on August 31, 2020. However, this restriction shall not apply to international all cargo operation and flight specially approved by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the DGCA said in the statement on Friday. Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra has agreed to CM Gehlot's revised proposal of an assembly session from August 14. Meanwhile, there has been some indication of thaw between the Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot camps within Rajasthan Congress. The MLA of the Ashok Gehlot camp, who have been staying at a hotel on the Jaipur Delhi highway amid the ongoing political crisis in Rajasthan, are being shifted on Jaisalmer. They are currently on their way on the Jaipur airport, from where they all will be flown on Jaisalmer.
Take a look for what exactly are the new number of coronavirus cases in India.
Online application filed by exporters only from August 5 to August 8 will be considered for getting license or permission by a Directorate General of Foreign Trade for shipment of 2 and 3 ply surgical masks, medical goggles and diagnostic kits, according to trade notice of DGFT. This is part of the procedures laid out by the Directorate for exporters to file application to seek license for shipment of these goods. According to the Directorate, export of 20 lakh medical goggles per month and 4 crore 2 and 3 ply surgical masks per month are permitted. Similarly, the month exported quota fixed for different diagnostic kits, including 238 lakh VTM kits, 149 lakh RNA extraction kits and 114 lakh RT-PCR kits. India COVID-19 recovery rate now stands at 64.54%. said Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan here on Friday. In the last 24 hours, we have crossed the 1 million mark of patients who have recovered from COVID-19. Today, we have 10,57,805 who people have not recovered. The total number of cases across the country now stand at 16,38,870 cases, Dr. Harsh Vardhan said at the group of minister meeting here. He added 2/3 of the cases have recovered and have gone home. The fatality rate is also coming down and today it stands at 2.18%. The recovery rate has improved to 64.54%. The doubling rate is right now standing at 21 days. Vardhan said that close to 6,42,588 samples have been tested in last 24 hours. And in the last 1 month, close to 1 crore tests have been conducted in the country.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.